Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable console on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, click on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will then take you into the settings page. From here you can see the various different settings within the game. Scroll down from the home page until you see the miscellaneous or you can tap on the video option at the left side. From here, if you scroll a little bit up, you will see the miscellaneous section. Here you can click on the enable console tab to either enable or disable the console. If you have it enabled, then anytime you have your match, you can press the # key to open up the console. If you wish to change this control, then simply go into the control section at the very top, and once you find the console tab, you can click on it and press the new button that you wish to assign. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable console on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.